Hey guys, this is a work in progress still, but I want to point out just how far we came with it. It's pretty crazy. So let's say I want to create a page content, right? That's the thing. You're going to find something on ClickBank, start selling it. Let's say it's Lake Tahoe vacation rentals. You're offering them. Okay, I'm going to put in Lake Tahoe vacation rentals. That's what I'm going to do. What are the keywords going to be? Vacation, holidays, right? Rentals, Lake Tahoe for that matter. All right, how many words do I want? Well, it's kind of, I just got to let the system know I'm aiming to write bigger. Let's see where it goes. So it's going to start by suggesting some subtitles, sections like why Lake Tahoe is the perfect vacation destination, the best things to do in Lake Tahoe, where to find the best Lake Tahoe vacation rentals, tips for planning the perfect Lake Tahoe vacation. If I don't like any of those, I can hit next again and it'll give me more. Now, pretty soon it's going to add them in. Right now it's just got, one or the other. It's assuming you want to start over. It's like planning your Lake Tahoe vacation, finding the perfect Lake Tahoe vacation rental, enjoying your Lake Tahoe vacation. I could keep going. Let's see what it gives me if I do it again. Spinning the roulette wheel, right? Lake Tahoe vacation rentals, a perfect getaway. I'm going to say yes to that, okay? Lake Tahoe vacation rentals, why they're the perfect choice. It's kind of the same thing as that, huh? Lake Tahoe vacation rentals, what to look for. Lake Tahoe vacation rentals, how to find the best deals. Oh, that's kind of interesting. These sort of add up. Now, if I wanted to, I could get more specific here, couldn't I? As a matter of fact, let's just think about this. Say I made this my main topic, right? And so I'm going to add in deals, right? And say next. What I'm going to do is I could copy some of the sections and have this thing dig deeper so that I can, do sections and append. Anyway, here we go. Finding Lake Tahoe vacation rentals. Sometimes it throws you something that was never finished, probably because there was a line break in there in the concept. We didn't have that, so we'll fix that. Finding Lake Tahoe vacation rentals, how to find the best deals on the rentals, tips for booking vacation rentals, things to keep in mind when booking the rentals. Okay, I guess same as tips, kind of. Maybe I won't do it. Why Lake Tahoe is a perfect vacation destination. That's great. Do you know what? Let's proceed, right? So I selected everything I wanted. I left out things that seemed duplicate or unfinished. Now, here we go. Keyword, right? Destination, right? Perfect vacation, okay? Tips for booking. So I'm going to say booking, right? Tips, booking tips, rentals, vacation, right? And I'm just kind of playing with this thing. How to find the best deals on the vacation rentals. Yeah, find best deals, right? Find vacation deals. That might be it. Finding Lake Tahoe vacation rentals. Okay. Vacation rentals, right? Vacation rentals. Finding vacation rentals. Okay. Select the tone. I'm going to say engaging. I've got engaging, professional, or convincing here. And what I really want is engaging, right? I want to just excite people with all my chat about this. High creativity. I could bring the creativity down and be more to the point, but I want high creativity. And we're going to go for words count, like let's say 2,500. I don't think we can do more than 2,500 at this stage, but we will. No such thing as a limit with us. 2,500 for the time being, but that's okay because we can add to this stuff. We can even overwrite some of the stuff as we go. It's not a problem. Anyway, how long did it take to decide what I wanted to write about, right? Again, if you just got ClickBank and you're like, okay, I'm going to go get a website. Now I'm going to start creating pages for it. And you just said, okay, to create the pages, I need some topics and subtopics, right? So we just started with whatever the most obvious thing would have been. And already we found that if we go through next a few times, lots and lots of subtopics, right? Okay, now I can check this out. It's giving me what it wrote for those sections, okay? Why Lake Tahoe is a perfect vacation destination. Lake Tahoe is a perfect vacation destination for those who love the outdoors and want to enjoy a range of activities in a stunning setting. The lake itself is a huge draw. with its clear water and sandy beaches perfect for swimming, boating, and fishing. The surrounding mountains offer great opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and climbing, while the town of Tahoe City is a lively hub for dining, shopping, and nightlife. In winter, the area is transformed into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, and sledding. That's a ton of fodder, okay? Now, already in there, I could come up with different topics to add to this webpage here or create new web pages from. But there you go. There's one. Tips for booking the rentals, right? When it comes to booking vacation rentals, a few things to keep in mind in order to get the best possible deal. Here are a few tips for booking Lake Tahoe vacation rentals. Start your search early. The sooner you start looking, the better your chances of finding a good deal. Compare prices. There are a lot of vacation rental websites out there, so it's important to compare prices before booking. Read reviews. Not all vacation rentals are created equal. Be sure to read reviews before booking to make sure you're getting a good place. Ask for discounts. Many vacation rental companies offer discounts for early bookings, so it's always worth asking if there are any discounts available. Be flexible. If you're willing to be flexible, you may be able to land one. By following these tips, you should be able to find a great deal on a Lake Tahoe vacation rental. How's that for cool? This is uniquely written. This is not copied from the internet. This is written out of the blue, uniquely. It's unique content. How to find the best deals on the rentals, finding the rentals, okay? So I'm just assuming that I want all these sections. It doesn't mean I do. Again, I'm building my page from pieces. I can leave a piece out. I can go back and write more contents and add them in, okay? So then anyway, when I'm done, I'm going to proceed, and guess what? I got that much of the page already, okay? And it's something I can save. It's something I can copy so I can paste it into a page. It's something I can even assign to a page that already exists, okay? So that's cool. I'm going to go ahead and save that one, okay? Because I'll probably come back and deal with it later. So anyway, I've got it. There's this one, right? I can come back and edit it. I can check it out, right? It's not assigned to a page yet, but it's here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do another one. I think I'm just going to do the same thing. So here we go. Here's another topic. I'm going to go completely in a different direction. I want to point out just how far you can go with this. Okay, how an experienced SEO expert can help grow your business. I'm going to say for keywords, SEO. Well, SEO, business, growth, experience. Okay, and what do I want? I'm going to do 2,500 again. I just don't want to go really small, okay? I'm trying to say, give me good chunk of content here. Okay. How an experienced SEO expert can help you optimize your website for better search engine visibility. How an experienced SEO expert can help you create targeted content to attract more website visitors. How an experienced SEO expert can help you analyze your website traffic data to identify opportunities for improvement. How it can help you develop and implement an effective link building strategy. How an experienced expert can help you troubleshoot website issues that are impacting your search engine ranking. Wow, all of these are awesome. I mean, I could hit next again, but I'm just going to proceed with this, right? And then this is where I would do this again. All right, I could create the article. I'm not going to. I want to point out another one. Let's go back. Articles. Okay, and generate. And we're going to do a different one, right? I'm going to go with something technical. Difference between PHP and Laravel, okay? I just want to show that we can go that crazy. So we could say, what do I want to say? Frame, coding. You know, there are different things that we could put in here. And the more we know about what we're talking about, the better. Again, I'll just put 2,500 for the word count. Let's see what we got. And that could help us adjust our keywords too, right? Just by seeing what it's spitting out. So we can make adjustments here to fine tune. PHP is a programming language, while Laravel is a PHP web application framework. Pretty good. I might say, you know what? I want framework, okay? Now, I'm just doing that. Okay, Laravel is designed to make developing web applications faster and easier by providing a set of tools and features needed for such development. Laravel offers more flexibility and ease of use than PHP for developing web applications. It is based on the MVC as Model View Controller architectural pattern. Well, PHP is not. Sounds good to me. Laravel provides built-in support for database access manipulation, whereas PHP does not. Laravel comes with a large number of features not found in PHP, such as routing, authentication, sessions, caching, and database abstraction. By the way, those of you who wonder, website installer is built in Laravel. And so that's just an example. We have a lot of things built in Laravel. Okay, so if I wanted to proceed, I could put in my stuff, pump it out, save it. I can come back later and add to it, override or append to it more topics, right? What's another one? I want to show you a really, really cool idea. So if I go in there, I'm going to show you the difference between something more generic and something more specific, okay? Articles. Sorry, we got to get the buttons in to get back to the main page. So here we go. We are plumbing experts. Let me give it an area and a concept. So Chicago, residential, and experienced. Okay? Let's just see that, and then I'm going to show you something else, which is so cool. What we do are services, case studies, and facts. That's crazy cool because guess what? It can work. What else have we got? What to expect from a professional plumber, the benefits of hiring a professional plumber, the risks of do-it-yourself plumbing, how to find a reliable plumber. Wow, right? I mean, we could just go forever. Every time we decide to write again, we're going to write something totally new. And that's the coolest thing for us because we're able to do this remote controlling through all the websites. Okay, we're experts in plumbing repairs and installation. We have the knowledge and experience. I know we're here to So the automation that we have, we decide our recipes. We go further than this. We do full-scale commands where we say first create this, then create that, then create 3 paragraphs about that. Like first create a title, then a subheader, then 3 intro paragraphs, and then speak about this in 2 paragraphs, and speak about that in 3 paragraphs, speak about that, and then conclude with a conclusion about this, that, and that, whatever it is. So every time we do that, we're going to generate a full-scale proper article about that kind of thing, except it's going to be totally unique every single time, but no spin tax. When I say it's totally unique every time, I mean it will write uniquely, like these sections uniquely, every time it does the same set of steps, the same set of commands we give it. It'll wind up in this world of uniqueness every time. So we're going to create incredible, totally diverse web pages for Google, one for every city if we want, or just different pages for every topic. Say we're selling something totally nationwide. We don't even want a city involved, but we have a bunch of websites that we want, like affiliate websites. Maybe you've got a downline with 10 people or 20, and you want them each to get their own website, and they're willing to pay a little bit for it, whatever it is. So then they're going to pay their part, and what happens is you're probably going to run the same copied commands through all there. It's something we can do at our level of remote control. And what's that mean? That means that all their websites are going to say the same things, sell the same things, talk about the benefits, the features, the opportunity, everything you would expect. And yet, uniquely written every time. And if there's a page you really need to keep static every time, you don't care if Google ranks it. You just need to keep it the same every time because it's the final pitch. It's your step 4 of your pitch or something. Then just take that page and copy it on those websites in that place, that step 4 place, right? Then that way, when people all get warmed up by all the different things that they're reading, on this website, they're reading that, on that website, they're reading that, on that website, they're reading that. It's all leading them there. And then you're going to put them to that final page, right? And then that page locks and loads. And then they say yes. Whatever, right? That's the idea. So what else? Let me show you another one by comparison. I went kind of generic on that, right? Let me try this one. Instead of going generic, I'm going to be specific. I came up with purple plumbers. I don't know if there is a purple plumbers, but I'm doing it. Purple plumbers. We are residential plumbing experts in Chicago. Chicago residential and experience. Okay. How different is that? We're looking to see if the system recognizes that that's a name, right? At Purple Plumbers, we are the residential plumbing experts in Chicago. We have a wide range of expertise and experience and expertise in all aspects of plumbing, so you can rest assured that your home is in good hands. We offer a variety of services, including drain cleaning, pipe repair and replacement, water heater installation, repair, and much more. We also offer 24/7 emergency services, so you can always count on us when you need us most. By the way, if you catch the phrasing, it's normal, proper English. So some of this wording feels absolutely like it's got to have been said. And the answer is yeah, it probably has been said, but Google's not going to dock that because Google sees that these are totally different excerpts in totally different places on totally different pages. And that's normal. It's normal lingo. So the whole page isn't a copy of anything, but the very occasional sentence that sounds completely like your pitch points, your selling points. Google has this vast library of those things where it expects that, right? What do you think you say on the Contact Us Now page, right? If you have any questions or need any assistance, give us a call anytime. We're standing by to help. You know how many times Google's read that verbatim? Probably 500,000, you know? But that's the point. Google's not going to ding you for it. It's expecting you to say that. What else are you supposed to say? So just so you know, don't worry if a sentence happens to coincidentally match a sentence written by a few other people from time to time. Google expects that. Everyone's pitching and they're going to see that. That's fine. Long as the majority of the page is different. Okay, if you're looking for a plumbing company that you can trust, look no further than Purple Plumbers. Contact us today to schedule a consultation. How's that? So yeah, we could check mark our things. We could go ahead and proceed. We could go ahead and set up the page with the keywords and run it, get content, and we are on our way. So how many things do you want to sell in ClickBank? How many websites do you want to set up for those things? How many pages do you want to write? You could hold your breath and write these pages. What's that mean? That means that you can create a mass load of content without having to think about it and just create them into pages. Then you want to make your pages cooler, go back into the pages, insert an image here and there, put an image on the left or the right, high or low. Put a couple images on a page. You want to do something even cooler? Find 1 or 2 or 3 videos that you can stick into a page, right? We've got all these things. We even have video galleries, image galleries, and everything else that you can just play with for whatever it is you're doing, right? Piece of cake. And do we do these things for you? Yes, we can do these projects at a big level. We can do them at a medium-sized level. Let us know. This is huge, guys. Absolutely our best way of being able to go forward and take things forward. But we're giving you guys access. So if you guys get in a website-installer.com and you buy, okay, well, that's just it. You're running installer.com. It's either monthly or annually, okay? If you go monthly, right, then you're kind of on your own. Get a template you want. You can make it about an industry that already exists, so you can start selling through that industry, or it can be for an industry that doesn't exist yet, right? An industry we don't have here. It could be your own thing. It could be a ClickBank thing, right? But get whatever website you like, whatever style, whatever design you like. Everything can be changed. The images can be changed. Videos can be changed. And when you order, you can already change the videos anyway. And you can change where the click here buttons go and all that jazz, right? So the point is, all this content for all these pages, the reason that your websites will rank and get traffic, and that traffic can be put into a newsletter for you, and those guys can be dripped on, and we can set that up ourselves. And that can work for your downline as well as you. The reason that those pages will rank is because the pages are written well for the first time ever. They're written at the level Google's hoping to see today, which is this whole thing that we're doing right here. Whoops, I got to go and make this guy work, but I will. I think it's edit AI article or something like that. I'll get to it. Anyway, that's the, like I said, it's work in progress. We're getting it built. It's almost finished, but there you go. How's that, guys? Isn't that fabulous? How many of your competitors can move at that speed and create at that level of quality? And how many of your competitors still think that this is the way to do it? I don't even know why I put the dash in there. I don't think it goes in there, does it? No. Look at that. Yuck. This is bad stuff, okay? Never, never, never come here anymore. These guys are selling their latest, greatest version, but it's not it. This whole thing is spin tax, and that's the problem. E&O technology is ancient by now, not the right idea. It is not the perfect tool for SEO specialists, okay? It is not unique human quality content. You have to do a ton manually in there, but not with the way we're doing this now. The way we're doing this now outfits these websites so that you can create any kind of content for anything you want to sell right away. You can copy and paste in your pages. Your H1 tags will take, your H2 tags will take, your paragraph tags will take, bullets will take. And what that means is the pages you create are already formatted. They already look good. The headers and the paragraphs and the bullets are great. And you can just feed in your images and your videos and where your click here buttons are supposed to point. Very simple WYSIWYG style stuff on the pages. So even doing that manually is simple. All right, just letting you know where you really want to go is this kind of thing here. By the way, we found that when we were tightening up browsers, some of the browsers we tightened up inadvertently got caught in here. So for instance, if I try to buy this template right now on Google Chrome, it'll spin and spin and spin. But if I go to Firefox and do the exact same thing, it'll go through. So if you have any trouble with one browser for some weird reason, if you're having trouble on your phone, switch your browser. If you're having trouble on your desktop, switch your browser. Try Firefox if Chrome's not working, that kind of thing. Okay, yep, we're getting all this stuff caught up and fixed. And here's the most beautiful thing if you think about it. Once you get your main website running, come to the super affiliate sites and pick up a stack of those. Because you know what we can do? We can take your best command stack for what you generated or what we generate for you if we're doing the project for you. And we can use those command stacks on your super affiliate sites so that they also come out incredibly well. And they're backlinking you while selling your goods at the same time. So they can all send people to the buy now page, wherever that is, on whatever website that is. And they're all going to link across to each other as well as backlink you. That's amazing. All right. Talk to you soon.